What's going on, everyone? You're watching RD Motoring, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the rear wiper blade on a 2015 to 2020 Honda Fit. This is a super easy job that can take less than a minute, so let's get started. First, you'll need to purchase the correct wiper blade. This generation Fit takes a 14-inch blade, and I went ahead and bought one from Rain-X. This one was about 10 bucks at Walmart, but there are more expensive ones out there. The sizes match, so we're good to go. To remove your old blade, just simply twist it so it's perpendicular to the wiper arm, and will easily slide off from there. To replace it, look at the new blade and you'll see a bar in the middle of the opening and then two nubs next to it. The new blade will only go on one way. You can see on the arm, there's a notch shaped like a hook and then a little groove to the right of it. All you have to do is put the bar all the way into the notch and make sure those nubs are on the correct side so they can slide into the grooves. Twist the blade back to its original position and you're all done. And that's all it takes to replace the rear wiper blade on your Honda Fit. If you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate a like and consider subscribing. Take care, everyone.